Safe Rate is about home loans. You can save up for a home loan, get a home loan, and pay for your home loan all on saferate.com. Let's start with getting a home loan. Need accurate rates? Our rates are straightforward. Unlike almost every other lender, we don't assume you pay for points. If you don't know what points are, that's a fee a lender charges you to give you a lower rate, and most do it today when you get a quote online. Instead, on SafeRate, you get $2,000 in credits right away. Now, why a credit? Well, that's because we don't pay for ads, so we give that money to you. You can use it how you see fit. We find it's more fun to give that money to you than to pay for Super Bowl ads like our competitors. Some borrowers use their $2,000 to get a rate that's below our market rate. That means you will save substantial money over the life of the loan. Some borrowers want to use their $2,000 to help with closing costs, and some want to use it to help buy new furniture. It's all up to you and what's best for your financial situation. Once you're ready to move forward, you can then fill out your application and get a same-day pre-approval. Our fully online application is easy and straightforward. Your real estate agent is also able to join SafeRate too. If they do, you'll earn more credits. Your real estate agent is also able to follow along the steps of the loan process and to be notified about the appraisal, clear to close, and more, all without you needing to notify them. It's a no-hassle benefit that our customers and their agents love. Now, when it's time to repay the loan, SafeRate has you covered too. You can make your payments at saferate.com. We have an easy to set up auto pay, the ability to retrieve your monthly statements and tax statements all in a single place. What's cool is that when you make your interest payments, you're actually helping the next generation of home buyers too. That's right, the people that are saving up for a down payment are investing into your loan and other Safe Rate loans. Some loans are helping to spur investment into workforce housing in communities like Toledo, Ohio, while others are to borrowers like you. Collectively, we're helping future homebuyers earn a higher rate of return than a traditional savings account and giving them the knowledge that they're directly investing into homeowners and communities. It's a pretty cool cycle when you think about it. And what's best of all, there's no big banks or financial institutions involved. It's just the Safe Rate community helping each other, kind of like the days of old, just with better technology and lower costs. That's it. Ready to start saving money? Whether you're saving up for a down payment or about to get a home loan, you're always welcome at Safe Rate. And if you want to give up that dusty savings account and instead invest into homeowners and communities to generate meaningful returns and create meaningful impact, you're welcome to. It's all happening today at saferate.com.